Hi guys, welcome back to Pinoy Math. Our topic for this time is all about logic and proof specific in proposition. But we have a question over here, guys. The question is, which of the following statement it is a proposition? God bless you. What is a day today? Give me a glass of water. The only odd prime number it is 2. So guys, please comment your answer if you know the answer in the comment section. But if you don't know the answer, please continue to watch this video para malaman niyo pa paano ba sagutan to. Now, ito po yung lumalabas sa examination like civil service and LAT. Okay? Para malaman natin yung sagot, I'll give you muna more information about proposition. Okay? What is the meaning of the proposition? So, proposition means po, it is a statement or sentence that can be clearly classified as either true or false, but not both at the same time. So, sa other po na pagsalita o sa other explanation po nito ni easiest, yung babasahin mo daw po yung statement, mapapasagot ka agad ng true. O may isang sentence, pag binasa mo siya, ay false to. Yun ang proposition. Pero pag binasa mo ang isang statement at yung hindi ka mapapasagot ng true or false, ibig po sabihin, hindi siya proposition. In order for us to clarify everything, we have example over here. Now, 2 is an even numbers. Yes, it is true because 2 is part of even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, nakasagot ako ng true, it is proposition. Other example, 5 is divisible by 2. It is false. Hindi pwedeng ma-divide po ng yung 2 yung sa 5. So guys, ibig sabihin proposition, nakasagot po tayo ng false. Ang hindi na po proposition, a statement which is question, patanong siya, or imperative. Imperative means command or request. Like this one, what time is it? Sagot mo siya na, oh, true the time. Hindi naman. So, ibig sabihin guys, hindi mo siya masasagot ng true or false. Ibig sabihin, it is not proposition. Like this one, it is imperative. Please close the door. Please close the window. So, it's a command. So, hindi po siya proposition. So, alam niyo na po ang difference ng proposition and non-proposition. Now, let's go back to read the question again and find the right answer. Which of the following statement it is proposition? Through reading the multiple choice, alam na po tayong sagot dyan. The answer for this one, it is letter D. Why? The only odd prime number, it is 3. Hindi po. The odd number is 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. Ibig sabihin, number one question, it is false, but proposition. Okay? Now, to evaluate. By the way, guys, sa mga nakatama dyan, shoutout po sa inyo, sa mga katama ng sagot. But we have question number 2 that you will answer po. Let's go. Which of the following it is not proposition? I am happy today. The moon is bigger than the sun. Please submit your assignment. The 25 is a perfect square. So please comment your answer po sa number. Lagyan po ng number 2, then answer. Okay, thank you and God bless po.